Jumping right into the video, this is the company I will be working with. It is SunberHair. Here I'm just showing you the packaging and the wig and what it looks like. It did come in a plastic bag, of course, with net, stocking cap, and the little white paper. Here's all the other goodies that came inside the packaging. It did come with an adjustable elastic band and a wig cap. This is the wig. This is their 20-inch Jerry Curly lace front wig. It is a 13x6 lace front wig, and it is 180 density. This is what the hairline looks like. It did come pre-plucked, but we're going to go ahead and prepare to bleach the knots and pluck the hairline just a little bit more. Once you already go ahead and have your lace ready, you want to get your BW2 powder and your 40 developer and go ahead and mix that together. You want a thick consistency, not anything that's dripping or running. Next, you want to go ahead and put your bleach onto your lace. I like to use like a little plastic butter knife and do an even spread all the way around. I know it looks like I'm just going super fast, but that's just the sped up process for the video. Take your time when you're putting your bleach on there and don't press down hard. You don't want your bleach to seep through the hair and get onto the actual roots of your hair and damage it. I like to let the bleach sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I went in with my blow dryer to help just speed up the process. That part is optional. You don't have to do that. Once your bleach is done sitting for about 10 to 15 minutes, you want to go ahead and rinse it out with a neutralizing shampoo, and then I decided to go back over it with a purple shampoo to tone the roots, so get some of that ashy brassiness out of the way. Once your bleach is done, this is what your hairline should look like. As you guys can tell, the knots are completely bleached, and we're getting ready to pluck. Now, with plucking the hairline, this is the tedious part, and it takes the longest part, but it's also kind of my favorite part a little bit. I hate actually tweezing, but I like the outcome. But yeah, so I listed all the supplies you guys need. It's like listed right here on the bottom left. As you guys can see, I'm doing a thin section, just parting out a thin section in the front of the hairline, and then I'm just going to continue plucking until I get my desired look. You want to repeat this step until you get the hairline that you are going for. You can start not directly in the front. I'd say an inch or 2 inches in front of the hairline, or you can start in the middle and work your way all the way to the top. I'm going to show you both methods so you can get a gist on how you want to customize your wig. But yeah, just pay attention. And I did have this sped up just for the purpose of the video because y'all, this took forever. But just try to pay attention and see if you can watch how I'm tweezing. I have my tweezers pointing going away from my face. With the tapered slanted tweezers, you want to make sure you're having the slanted tip going away from your face. You don't want it having coming towards you. this is what the hairline looks like after we're done, y'all, and I am so in love. Look at it. It's so snatched. Like, yes, sis, yes. So now we're going to get into the install portion of the video. Once you have tried your lace on and everything, you want to go ahead and clean your hairline with 91% alcohol. For my install, I will be using Got to Be Glued gel and the freeze spray. I like to use the yellow bottle and the freeze spray together because it gives me a pretty secure hold. Not as secure as adhesive, but damn near close to it. But yeah, you want to just go ahead and put down like a little thin layer like I'm doing so. And I didn't use a bald cap for this one because I really didn't need it. I just put a little makeup on my hairline and then put the same makeup on the lace. And yeah, so like I said, I'm just putting a little thin layer of the Got to Be Glued freeze spray and the Got to Be Glued gel, and then you just want to lightly rub that in and use the blow dryer until it gets to a tacky substance that you like, and then you want to go ahead and press that lace down and then continue to do the same process on both sides until everything is laid. Next, I'm going to take a spray bottle, and I don't have anything in the spray bottle but some water. I'm just going to go ahead and detangle this hair and define the curl pattern a little bit because it was getting a little wild and poofy. So yeah, like I said, you just want to take your little spray bottle, get the hair damp wet, get you your paddle brush, detangle the hair just so you can define the curl pattern and get that wet, suave look that you're going for. This is all the shedding that I've got from detangling the hair. Next, I'm going to take some of my L'Oreal True Match foundation and a eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to define my part a little bit. Make sure you go in with another eyeshadow brush and buff out your makeup where you put it, or it will look a little strange. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do my baby hairs. Those of you who follow me already know what I use. I love the Got to Be Glued yellow bottle for my baby hairs. That is usually all I use. I'm going to just do some simple swoops, you know, nothing crazy. Once that's done, I'm going to take my Got to Be Glued Free Spray and my hot comb and just press out my hairline. This is my holy grail method. This is what I feel like makes your wig look super, super flat and super sleek. So, yeah, just follow the instructions like so. If you want to, sis, you ain't got to. Okay? Now you just want to brush everything back into place, and you want to go ahead and get ready to set your hair. I'm going to use this curl mousse to set the hair. I'm going to put that all over the hair, not to the point where you could see the mousse. You want it to rub in and actually soak into the hair. But yeah, you want to just get you some mousse and rub it in on both sides just to define your curl pattern. And then once you do that, you will be done, and that is the completed look. And this is what the finished look looks like, y'all. I am really in love with this look. It really is just so cute, so simple. And this is SunberHair. This is their 20-inch Jerry curly lace front wig. It did come with 13x6 parting, and it is 180 density. You can get this at sunberhair.com, and you can also follow them online at SunberHair on social media. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.